the world's most sophisticated aircraft, caught on Google Earth previously. Perhaps the Spirit stealth bomber or the B-2 Spirit stealth bomber was one of them. The plane succeeded in trapping Google Earth so that the appearance of the super sophisticated aircraft was visible. Meanwhile, the B-2 Spirit stealth aircraft is specifically designed not to be easily detected by radar, intended to be able to coat the enemy's defense by outwitting the radar that is scaly like a small bird. It's hilarious to have a stealth fighter flying over the farmer's house, over his fields like a plant cleaner, said the host on YouTube's My Garden channel. Not long ago, the My Garden channel YouTube account posted a video showing how the B-2 Spirit stealth aircraft was caught on a Google Earth camera. The photo, which has been widely shared on Reddit, shows an airplane flying over a field in Missouri, United States. The upload has received more than 111,000 likes and attracted thousands of comments from netizens on Reddit. It is not surprising that the B-2 Spirit aircraft appeared in Missouri, because the area is close to Whiteman Air Force Base, or only about 30 kilometers. Please note, this aircraft has a unique wing design. The B-2 Spirit, like a ninja, can penetrate enemy air defenses silently and is predicted to be the most feared aircraft in the world. With its multitasking capabilities, the B-2 Spirit is priced at a pretty fantastic price of around $2 billion, equivalent to Rp. 28.4 trillion, making it one of the most expensive combat aircraft owned by the United States. Langereich continued. Spirit is also equipped with a toilet, microwave, several coolers to store snacks, a pilot's rest area, and very comfortable cockpit seats. However, not only the price is fantastic, the maintenance costs are also very expensive. Within a year, the B-2 Spirit can cost up to $44 million in maintenance costs, or the equivalent of Rp. 626 billion. This makes it the most expensive maintenance aircraft in the U.S. Air Force.